Legacy Chumna Psychorally, Ukrul District Legal Services Authority, Matun Sada in the Pashalam Sadani. Aju Ukrul District Legal Services Authority, Retainer Lawyer Ningyam Wayalina. Natum Psychorally, Log Atalat with Maramli, Shika Tampang Rumaya. Log Atalat Gachihiki. He become a diet Karinaki. Log Atalat we Kankana Kala. Sagatze Kimway, Kalagachi Itum, Shika Yamarosa. Log Atala Gachitana. National Legal Services Authority, we are Zingli. Legal Services Institution, Katayin Marunda. Singaga, Dispute Resolution Settlement Mechanism Akana. Hili Alternative Dispute Retrieval Mechanism, the Latin Courtly, Lan Adam, Kachunga Zangaga. Mapag yan sada ke sama ki kachini kajot burden ji makrila party khaniwi media khamro kwe alimli cham khana settlement kwe kharaj li kahamna lok atalatli kachi katha case khira bai kala chaka pre litigation cases chiba courtly case maho kop choram yaga case sama marawa chihaya ka party khamina lok atalatli ralaga or ghost litigation cases kachitaran courtly kasanga pending like high cases party khamui miya kamro pya li lok adalat li kuralaga settlement kurabaya National Legal Services Authority Act 1987 zingli lok adalat li statutory status niya chumi kakalada Lok Adalat with decision order he civil court with decision order aina narai chai party khamili order jina binding sai gal Lok Adalat li decision order ta high order ji party khamina higher court li appeal masa bai Lok Adalat li court fees mangaba mana kachi kathana Lok court li Kasanga pending like high case log authority khiralaga party khaniwi maya khamro kanamli settlement khira hayaka nanda courtly misang high court fees court na hanmili pai kipama maina log authority case decides harajin ka member of log authority nasaya member bani district legal services authority chairman minung aga secretary member bingina judicial role makwina conciliator role kuya member bingna dispute party khaniji case hin sama ka hiwi kan khana kala saga zhe ki mai le kala gichi mathala aina hang chi thailaka party khaniwi maya khang ro kuya azingli compromise settlement khirami member bingna party ki palika force aina settlement khira khabai masana Kipa Maina, Kachikata Lok Adalatli case Kira by Kalaja, Aprosa by Kalaja, Lok Adalatli jurisdiction Kale, case Psychorer Singabai, National Legal Services Authority Zingli, District Legal Services, State Legal Services Authority State Legal Services Authority Zingli, District Legal Services Authority Jaina Nawi jurisdiction later National Legal Services Institution, State Legal Services Institution, District Legal Services Institution the college Nana Aprosalaga Lok Adalat case Singabai. Ukrul District Legal Services Institution chairman he district judge Nasaya Kalaki secretary chief judicial magistrate situation Nasaya Legacy Chumna Lok Adalatli case Kurada settlement Kuraya District Legal Services Authority obviously Aprosalaga application Misanga no winning the charm case settlement Kuraya pre-litigation category of cases Kimame Kalachaka Negotiable Instrument Act Section 138 Zingli Kachikata mi akana nali pisa mi rada check in at behind the Nana Bangli Pisaji draw Sakabai Kawatra. Awi bank account li pisa mazan satu dan nali pisa mami to her nana case chi law atalali approach alaga settlement query bai kakhani money recovery cases nana bank loan query laga paisa ji repay masara ju bank nana case sare ka chitra law atalali approach alaga khamtha upon in a settlement query bai terror bill water bill mail bill, electricity bill, telephone bill, he gets related cases with he log adalatli kurada settlement kurabai. Chili lang moya motor accident compensation claim kasawi cases bin. Military land dispute cases bin. Land acquisition ni partition cases, damages cases, workman compensation cases, labor dispute cases, bonded labor cases, matrimonial family dispute cases, maintenance cases, he log atalati kurada settlement kurabai. Civil cases ma manila, criminal cases ya cover, compoundable cases kachitra. Party kanijina compromise kabai cases si log atalati settle sabaya. Legishia richum now psychology. Log atalati kamataya karin kala kankanajiba. Log atalatli ba nana advocate hire masala nakala daralaga no problem difficulties grievances si member of log atalat bingli address alaga party khani wi ma ya kamro ba aloli aman paisa atam masanga thak me chui ga chu ya aloli no wi case settle sabaya legishia ruchunma psychology District Legal Services Authority we matun sada hidata hangai che hikata kamta opportunity hi itum psychorina sambangda nawi iwi case amanla atam la mazanga settle sa kamai sa sa chi hangai log atala we kamata hangse ai disadvantages mahangka mo sangi dai in a disadvantages se ai cover cases ko to hi itum na log atala le khira la kamsa pai ka khani point cases kind of punishment he requires I kalo atalatli ba adan hang hai tala party khani la compromise la settlement sa ke case da cases kind of punishment or fine hitter gar sa da lo atalatli chikta case makhira ba na kagatuma point sa da lo atalatli decision quick higher order ji nana satisfied masala higher court li appeal masaba ba china log adalat disadvantages saya ka side ka ba gin se haya ka log adalat wi kama tha china hi cover sa cha bai ja no we learn atam tin laga court li case sirangan pending sa laga bang ge chi ba party khani china mya khang ro ga li settlement sa ka ba itum we cases si pending lo suda ma yaw ra ka case la thak ma da result sa ra ya recycle li ni china ga